Hi everyone, this is Jane Chen from LED Solution. Now I'm introducing our foldable LED poster. This foldable LED poster, it is 5 foot. It can be folded like this way, and this side can be folded to this way, and it can configure to a side poster. So it is using for the events, and after folder you can push it to the flight case, and it is very easy to move from different events to another place. This one we have option for the LED. This demo is using COB LED, and you can also choose SMD LED with GOB surface. And also we have the MIP option to configure the LED poster. For more information about this product, please visit our website www.iLEDSolution.com. Thank you very much.